Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we will discuss about the process of automated onboarding for your WhatsApp bot. So after you complete creating your WhatsApp bot on the BotPenguin platform, you have to do the automated onboarding process. If you want to learn how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot, I'll give the video link in the description box below. You can check it out. Now we will be starting from the step 4 where you have to select all of these options. That means you should have all of these in hand before proceeding. You should have a legally registered business. You should have a valid website. You should have a GST number if you are an Indian resident. You should also have a valid payment method. You should also have a valid use case in compliance with the WhatsApp commerce policy. And you should have a phone number which is not active on WhatsApp or WhatsApp business, and that phone number should be capable of receiving the SMS. After selecting all of these, you just have to click on the proceed button right here, and then you have to click on the continue with Facebook button. You have to log in with Facebook for embedded WhatsApp onboarding. And then you have to simply continue with your Facebook account. I already have my Facebook account logged in, so I'll just click on this button to continue. Here you have to enter your business name and your business email, and here you have to enter your business website URL or your social media page. And finally, you have to select the country. And after filling all the details, you just have to tap on the next button. And here you have to enter your WhatsApp business account name. And here you have to enter your WhatsApp business display name that you want to show to your customers. And then you have to select your business category. And after filling all the details, you just have to tap on the next button. And now at last you have to add a phone number and verify it. You have to select the country, have to enter the phone number. You can also choose how you would like to verify this number, if you want a text message or a phone call. And then you have to tap on the next button. A verification code will be sent on your number, and you just have to enter the verification code in the next step, and you will be done with automated onboarding for WhatsApp. So that was all about the process of automated onboarding for your WhatsApp chatbot. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.